Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Lola's Kitchen. So guys, day 3. I really didn't do much. I didn't do a lot. I think I started doing stuff last minute. So I was like, you know what? I'll just make it easy on myself and just make something really quick. So I made yam porridge, and then what else? And then I made a quick drink, the same drink I did on day 2. And then what else? And then I nadamo kunu. And then after that, and then pretty much that's it. That's all I did for day 3. So the video for day 3 is short, so that's why I just put it all together with day 4. So yeah, I have a really good recipe for day 4. So it's really yummy because patendoya, everyone really know that, but day 4 it's really nice, guys. So you may want to watch the video all the way till the end. And yeah, guys, if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. So yeah, guys, let's get to day 3. Let's watch the porridge recipe. It's a very easy, quick one. So yeah, and I'll see you guys for day 4 also, all together in this video. So guys, first thing I did was I added my red stew. You already know I always have miata ready to go. Even though name I use pressure cooker, and then yeah, say a hankali kawai. So every time I'm going to make something, I have to fry it a little bit again. So anyways, gashi na kawai na ƙara zuba mai a ciki saboda na ga muku bata soyi ba sosai, because I didn't fry it again. Usually if I use pressure cooker, I will leave it on the pressure cooker for like an hour and then fry it again on the stove. So the point for that is that I don't mess up my stove. And so, but anyways, this time around it was late and I was so sleepy at night, so I was just like, you know what, let's just leave it like this. And really it wasn't bad. Still in nazoyin girki ina sauki abin na zo min da sauki. So yeah, anyways, looks like na zuba oil da yawa, so I'm gonna get some out a little bit because I don't need this much oil. So that's what I'm doing. And then so I went ahead and add some chicken. That chicken, it was from day 1, I think. Yeah, it's from day 1. It's leftover, so I just got it out of the fridge and I throw it in some. So it wasn't a lot. Also another thing, I didn't have any like chicken stock or beef stock, sadly. But yeah, still the food was really good, so that wasn't bad. And guys, here we go. After like 20 minutes, our yam gashinan tagama tai. Hindi ko do tai haka. Then it looks really nice and soft. Do ya taro kumikan. Yep, just like I'm doing that nasa abo taba inji. Tai, and then yeah, we're all set. So do ya lama ba tare da wadi kun san inda ke da kuwa. Literally 20 minutes haka or a little bit more. Make sure da kana zuwa kana duba ana dan ƙara juyawa. You don't want to be touching it too much. Ba ka ba duk za ta faffashe. Kun ga ta ba ta fashe ba. And iftar time, like I said, guys, it was a very low-key iftar. So we just have kunu, and then the patendoya, and then some harira, and then pretty much that's it. Just came back from Tarawih. We just came in, and then I'm finishing up my tea, and then I thought I should jump in just to say salam. And then yeah, it feels really good, guys, this year to be going to Tarawih, because last year we couldn't go. No, is it? I don't know. Last year, I think we went to Tarawih the year before. But still, even last year, you have to do the 5 peats. And it just doesn't feel, it's not the same. This year, Alhamdulillah, feels amazing. I got lucky. I get to go. One of my friends from college is watching the boys. That's very nice. Alhamdulillah. So yeah, guys. Yeah, let's get to day 4, inshallah. And I'm sure you guys will love day 4 because the recipes are on point, guys. Even though at the beginning I really, as always, I wasn't sure what I was trying to make. But yeah, I was kind of wanted to have that maybe Asian test. Anyways, see you there. Bye. Hi guys, day 4. So anyways, today I just wanted to eat something like a little bit of Asian and stuff. I'm not exactly sure. As always, I don't really know, but you know, as long as you know I'm gonna throw this, throw that as I'm cooking, and you know the ideas come, and then if at the end of the day, what matters is if it tastes good. I can't even talk. Oh my goodness. And I'm not even seriously managing as I'm not even feeling the fasting, but I don't know why I can't talk. Maybe because I'm rushing. My husband is waiting for me. We have to go assemble something. So yeah, that is why. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys everything, and then we'll kind of go from there. It was really nice. My friend came. I dragged them, her and her husband, and very cute, handsome son, Muhammad Ali. So I love him so much. He's so cute, guys. We were busy, you know, with the thing was Ramadan, like you're just even busy, you know, doing different things. I didn't really even get to like take videos or pictures and stuff like that. I think we only took like one picture when we came back from Tarawih because we were so happy going to Tarawih without kids. You know what I mean? We were like, oh, it feels so good, yes. We are not one of those parents where when you drop your kids, you're so nervous and all that. We drop the words, yes. As long as it is with someone you trust, you know? So, yeah. Anywho, let's get started. So guys, I'm back. The first thing I'll just kind of show you guys how my day went. Literally when I came down, the first thing I did was I made tour for Bilal. Because guys, for the last 2 days, Bilal has been asking me mommy to like non-stop. I feel bad at some point. So I was like, you know what? I'll just make you some too. So, like in a Sakuwa Kasa, in a Azahar, Lolo'sKitchen. So I was like, yeah, we'll do all of that all together. And I kind of go from there. I didn't show you guys like the whole how to make tuwo miyo kuka. No. If you want to see that, I have the video. So check it in one of my videos. Nai tuwo miyo kuka. So nai tuwo de miya. And then yeah. So pretty much that's how my day started. And then, you know, and then I made our iftar, and then Sabrina came. She made some stuff, and then after that we had iftar, and I went to the masjid, come back home, and yeah, that's how our day went. So yeah. So guys, Tuwanan is very lazy to zance because ba wani talge kawai straight to the point, and really it wasn't bad. Tuwon yayi daɗi. Ni har yanzu ma I don't think zan dinga yin talge in zan yi tuwo because it turned out really well. So yeah, it was really nice. And then yeah, sai kawai nayi quickly da ma nayi mishi miya. Oh my god, guys, speaking of that before I fara azumi dai nayi tuwo miyar karkashi. Bilal would not eat that. Kuma fa yana son tuwo. It was his first time, I think, trying karkashi. And he was like, no. Nay. I even tried nay padam, but you know. And I was like, okay, fine, it's not your fault. It was like his first time, I think, trying karkashi. So I had to wash the tuwo again. Na sa mishi magi da mai shikenan. And then he ate it. Anyways, guys, so yeah, that's about it. And then yeah, let's get to our good yummy recipe, right, for iftar. So for today, guys, you're going to need steak. I cut it really, really tiny. That is some Worcestershire sauce. You need it because it really adds a lot of flavor to the meat. And then there's some soy sauce. You also need it, guys. And then I end up adding all the seasonings you guys can think of, like irin Maggi, and then black pepper, salt, Maggi, and then garlic and onion, the powdered na zuba a ciki. And then pretty much after that, you go ahead and mix it really, really well. I'm going to throw it in the fridge, and because I'm going out, I'm going to run quickly to our halal market quickly to go get some stuff that I need. And then that way in Nadao, perfect timing. In Nadao la asar tayi, I would just pray and then see in Dora abincha. So yeah, guys, keep watching. And here we are, me and Bilal, ready to go. Left his dad and Zaid at home. Say hi. Hi. Assalamu alaikum. Say Ramadan Mubarak. Mubarak. All right. And we just got back home. The first thing I did, got it out of the fridge and put it on the stove. And then, so yeah, pretty much that's all I did, guys. So, and then now I'm going ahead with the rice. Actually, yeah, guys, this is the last minute thing. I really wasn't thinking of eating that with rice, but as I'm making it, I was like, you know what, this will go really good with broccoli rice. At first I was thinking of long noodle rice, the very thin one. So I'm going ahead and wash the rice, and then now I'm going ahead and just mix the meat a little bit. Actually, I took a long time. I should have done that a while back. That's why it's kind of all sticky all together. So we don't want to make that mistake. Even though it's not really a big deal. You know, I know at the end of the day it's gonna all separate out. But yeah. So mix it well and then go ahead and cover it again. So the point is you have to make sure the meat is soft, pretty much cooked. And then I'm going to fry it after that. But when we come to fry it, we're only going to fry it very, very light. So we don't want to fry it too much. So just very light, and then pretty much that's it, guys. So yeah, I fried just for like 4 minutes or so. So just like this, guys, that looks really good. So that is perfect. That's how you want the meat to look like. And then I went ahead and put some onion, the same pot that I just finished cooking the meat in. And then I added some oil, the same oil that I'm frying the meat a ciki. And then ideally I should have added a little bit more onion, but because this onion I had it from yesterday, like a fresh enough to data, and I don't want to cut another one. So, and because in Nazanyan then I have to again half of it in a fresh it, so that's why. So yeah, and then I added some red and green red bell pepper, and then so just fry the shima and for like 3 minutes or so, and then I that's some garlic nazaba in the achki. So yeah, just fry them all together for 3 minutes or so. After that, the mazaba ruani achki. I really wish I have some beef stock. That would have been perfect. So if you watch the video, if you do have some, please add some. Even though kashin is zanzibar, and it was really, guys, this was really good actually. Even by adding not one just normal water. So yeah, and then after that, gashin in zanzibar seasonings ina na zuba kawai irin su magi, gishiri, and then turmeric, and then I added a little bit more of the soya sauce, and then pretty much that's all. And then we are going to let it come to boil. And then now after maybe kamari minti talatin, after like 30 minutes, ga from scratch now, zanzibar achiki. Please don't do it like this. Just get dan karamin abu ka zuba a ciki and then add some water and mix it and then put it in a ciki, because oh my goodness, this took me a while. That was really a big mistake. I shouldn't have done it like this. But yeah, pretty much after that, I added maybe come out one teaspoon, I think, maybe something like that. But yeah, so that was a lot of work. So try to just add a little bit of water and then add the corn scratch, mix it, and then put it a ciki. So yeah, as I'm waiting for it, I'm gonna put some date at chicken nangura. So maybe let it cook again for like 15 minutes. Yeah, kauri sosai. And then after that, pretty much miyamma is ready. This song had been playing on my head non-stop, so I had to listen to it. So guys, miyama is ready. Sorry guys, I couldn't show you when I was cooking the rice. I was kind of rushing, and my best friend is coming to pick up some food. And yep, here she is. She's so pretty, mashallah. So anyways, yeah, she said the rice was so good that astaghfirullah made her miss tarawih, that she ate too much. I was like, well, that part, that's not good. But yeah, so guys, let's make some tea now. I feel like the last couple of days my tea game is not strong. So tell me guys, is there anything else you guys add in your tea? That way it can, maybe my game can come back strong. So yeah, please do let me know how you guys make your tea. But pretty much you can see what everything I added in my shai. Abin da nake zubawa kenan a ciki. Na yi big mantuwa guys, I forgot I didn't add some ginger. Shayi ba ginger ai bai kama haɗuwa ba. Like at least that's for me. I always need ginger in my shayi. Actually, not even me, even my husband. And he even liked ginger a lot more. I tried to just, put medium, but for him, he doesn't mind. So yeah, I had to come back and add some ginger. So yeah, please do. Actually, I really want to know what my cookies are chicken. So I thought I should turn on some turaren wuta. Bilal broke my old one, and then luckily I got one for my mom. I was about to mail it to her, and then I called her. I was like, "Oops, mommy, sorry." So I have been using this French turaren wuta. It's amazing. Like, oh my god, guys, really good. My husband is not a big fan of Iran turaren wuta from back home, but I still use it once in a while. But this thing, I'm in love with one turaren wuta. I don't even know if he likes it or not, but I have been using it a lot. So it's almost iftar time. So let me put some turaren wuta. For us all, she just got here and she didn't even get dressed and straight started making borek because I was craving for it so much. So perfect. And then because it's almost iftar time, so it's nice to eat it when it's hot. So yeah, this is just how she make it. And can you guys believe she didn't add any flour to make it stick to each other, but that's just how she make it. She's an expert. She's so pretty, mashallah. And then when you're going to fry it, you fry it facing down. So yeah, I've tried that, and then it's iftar time, guys. And here comes the end of day 3 and 4. Well, guys, please don't forget to like, comment, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next video. Now, goodie. Bye-bye.